Same in the continuation of the same 17th problem. This is, see, just we completed up to 13th problem. Now 17th problem. Vani and Veena are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 was as follows. Creditors 40,000, reserve 15,000. Here no bills payable. Capitals Vani 60,000, Veena 40,000. Cash at bank 6,000, stock 24,000, debtors 30,000, furniture 20,000, machinery 60,000, goodwill 15,000, totally 1,55,000, 1,55,000. On 1/4/2017, they admit Rani as a new partner into partnership on the following conditions. New partner is to bring in rupees 30,000 as capital and offer her 1/6 share in future profits. Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 25,000. Machinery is appreciated by 10% and stock is reduced by 10%. Furniture revalued at rupees 18,000 and investments rupees 2,000 is not recorded in the books. Now consider PDD is created at 5%. Prepare revaluation report. Say first one, machinery is appreciated by 10% to machinery account by machinery account. By machinery account, see machinery 60,000 is there into 10 by 100, that is 6,000. By investments not recorded, this is 2,000. And coming to the stock, stock is 24,000 into 10 by 100, 2,400. Next, furniture is reduced to rupees to furniture account. Say opening value is 20,000 minus 18,000. 2,000 is the loss. PDD to PDD at 5%. PDD at 5%. See, 30,000 is the debtors into 5 by 100, 1,500. So, $8,000 on the credit side, on the debit side is 5,000, 900, 2,100. So to partners capital account, Vani, Veena 2,100 into 3 by 5, 2,100 into 2 by 5. So 5 1 the 5, 4 the 5 2 the. So 0, 6, 12,000, 1,260 and 840. So totally 8,000 and 8,000. 8,000 and 8,000. See, next is the all partners capital account. See, one more partner is there. By balance brought down. So 60,000 and 40,000. By bank account. Newly brought into the business space. 30,000. By revaluation account. 1,260, 840. By reserve. By reserve 15,000. In 3:2. 9,000 and 6,000. By goodwill account. By goodwill account 25,000 in 3:2. 15,000. 10,000. Next, old goodwill to goodwill account. This is old goodwill. That is 15,000 in 3:2. 9,000, 6,000 dash. Now, to balance carry down, transfer. $30,000 here, 56,000, 56,840 here. 85,260. So 85,260 minus 9,000, 76,260. 56,840 minus 6,000, that is 50,840. 30,000 as usual. So 85,260, 56,840 and 30,000. Now, new balance sheet of the firm. Liabilities, assets. So creditors no adjustment, 40,000 directly in the outer column. Capitals, Vani, Veena, Rani. Say 76,260, 50,840 and 30,000. See, capital balances So opening is 6,000 and running capital 30,000, totally 36,000. Next is the stock. Stock value is 24,000 minus 2,400. Stock is reduced. So here 21,600. Next is the debtors 30,000 minus PDD 1,500 minus PDD 1,500 28,500. Next furniture 20,000 is there minus 2,000 is the revaluation 18,000. Next is the machinery 60,000 plus 6,000 appreciation 66,000. 66,000. Goodwill already cancelled. So these are all the items. So here 11 100 8 7 8 16 5 11 16 17 300 7 5 4 9 1,97,500. Goodwill account. New partner brought into the business rupees 25,000. This is the goodwill. So 1,97,100. 1,97,100. See, in the balance sheet, goodwill is given. That goodwill will be recorded on the all partners capital account on the debit side in word profit sharing ratio. That is only the single entry, and goodwill created in the firm. Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 25,000 is there. That 25,000 will be recorded on the credit side of all partners capital account, as well as we have to show in the balance sheet asset side. This is only the new adjustment in this problem. See, stock reduced by 10%, 2,400. Furniture revalued at rupees 18,000 means opening value is 20,000 minus 18,000. So 2,000 is the loss to the firm. PDD 5%, 30,000 is the debtors. 5% means 1,500. Overall on the debit side is 5,900. Credit side to machinery is increased at 10%. So 60,000 into 10 by 100, that is 6,000. Investments not recorded, now record. Totally credit side is 8,000 minus 5,900, that is 2,100 will be bifurcated according to old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So 1,260 of Vani and Veena 840, totally 2,100. Capital balances by balance brought down 60,000, 40,000. Cash brought into the business by the newly admitted partner, that is 30,000. And revaluation account we have to record. Profit is there. So credit side you record on the partner's capital account 1,200, 1,260 and 840. And reserve is there on the liability side of the balance sheet 15,000. That should be distributed in a 3:2 ratio, that is 9,000 and 6,000. And new goodwill. Created goodwill is 25,000 in the 3:2, 15,000 and 10,000, like that. Balance sheet old goodwill we have recorded on the debit side, that is 15,000 in 3:2, 9,000 and 6,000. So total on the credit side is 85,260 of Vani minus 9,000. 76,260 is the capital of Vani, remaining capital of the Vani. And 56,840 of Veena on the credit side minus 6,000 of debit side, that is 50,840 of the capital, new capital of the new firm, and 30,000 of Rani as usual, no deduction. Coming to the creditors, liability side, Vani, Veena and Rani 76,260, 50,840, 30,000. Cash at bank. On the asset side of the gold balance sheet, that is 6,000. Add Rani's capital 30,000, totally 36,000. Stock 24,000 minus 2,400, reduced 10%, that is 21,600. Debtors 30,000 minus 5% PDD, that is 1,500. Totally outer column 28,500. Furniture 20,000 minus 2,000 is the revaluation amount, that is 18,000 is the revaluation. Machinery 10% increased, appreciated, that is 60,000 plus 6,000, 66,000. Goodwill new created, that should be shown in the balance sheet, that is 25,000. Totally 1,97,100, 1,97,100.